Congratulations first to all of you for wonderfully participating in this seminar. I do really hope that you have benefited from this seminar, and good luck for the coming school year. I'd like to read to you a message from my new father, my stepfather, Attorney Francisco Irotrigo, who happens to be in the US, because they will be celebrating their first wedding anniversary on June 14. And so they are spending their anniversary there with my siblings and Attorney Rodrigo's kids, also in the States. Hello, I am Francisco Irotrigo, better known as the husband of Boots Anson Roa. In her opening remarks, Boots said that one of the purposes of teaching is to make better persons of your students. I agree. Today, you were the students and your speaker made you better persons. It is in this light that I would like to share my favorite anecdote with you. It is a story of a conversation between God and a young man. One day, God commanded a young man, "Build a better world." The young man answered, "Lord, the world is so big and complicated now. I am so young and new. There is very little that I can do." And God in His wisdom said, "Build a better you." In the same manner, your attendance in today's seminar workshop made a better you. As a consequence, you have made a better world. Go back to your students and teach them to make a better world by making themselves better. Congratulations to all of you. Mabuhay kayong lahat.